All right, hello. This is your dreaded crypto maniac coming at you, January 11th, 2021. Can't get used to saying that. So yeah, Bloody Monday. In other words, it's been a few days since I've uploaded anything. It was just getting too boring with all the green. So just taking a look, yeah, this hurts. The whole market's bleeding. Even the blockchain stocks took a big beating today. Gold is still kind of just not doing very much. I'm surprised by that, but I imagine gold and silver will be breaking up. But ultimately, this is just a good buy opportunity. Right now, we're seeing a big green candle on the 4-hour. This is going to be a correction, It is a correction. That's what we're dealing with. It's 30%, 28% technically. And with the last bull market, corrections were between 25, 35, 40%. So you had to expect this. So I have two scenarios sort of mapped out. Two three-wave corrections. The more bearish one puts us back down to 24K. If we went down there, by the time we got there, it'd be on the 21-week moving average. Now, if we were in a bear market, I would side on this, but we're no longer in a bear market. So a more bullish continuation actually makes more sense to me. It might not go all the way up to retest the highs, but might be something like that, And then we move on up. We make some kind of a big ascending triangle consolidation. Let the altcoins run, and then hopefully you're holding the right coins, and you could make some money on this alt season that's been postponed for the most part right now. But I mean, it's gonna come once Bitcoin chills out with its volatility. Then maybe we kind of just long drawn out thing during that time, and the altcoins are gonna run. And Ethereum is bouncing. Ethereum did bleed quite a bit today, though. It went down to 922. And that's pretty brutal. I think it was close to 40%. Let's take a quick look. I think it was 31%. I thought it was 40. But yeah, it's pretty rough. That's a rough correction. So, and also, and there's I don't know about the news with XRP, but XRP is doing all right. Everyone thought it would be dead by now, and look at it now. It's sort of forming a inverse head and shoulders pattern. We could do a quick. Let's do a quick drawing. Still bad at doing these. Let's do something like that. Down to the head. It's going to look kind of wonky. And then we'll use this one. I guess really I should be using this. Yeah, just not very good at drawing these. But the point of the inverse head and shoulders ultimately is you get the line of the shoulder, the neckline, I mean. You come on down to the head, pull that down, bring it up, and this will give you a price target. And that's a bullish price target of 55 cents. So if I was to try to be a genie, or I guess some kind of oracle, I would say, yeah, we'll come up here, hit 50, come on back down, hit this golden pocket area, consolidate, and then keep on going on up. That'd be bullish. That's XRP right there. Yeah, Bitcoin's bounce is looking kind of sexy, honestly. I mean, just with this, since it's not making such much of a bear flag, I think it's going to be more of a bullish scenario correction. Probably create, like I said, make like a ascending triangle or maybe a symmetrical triangle in continuation to 50. Or it might be a more of a drawn out thing, but this is looking like it's not going to be very drawn out. So And Litecoin really took a beating today. I think this is the correction maybe I was thinking about. That was let's see. And everyone's probably asking what kind of news, what news caused this. Actually, I don't think there was any real news. I think it's just everything needed to take some profits, and the correction was needed. I was kind of expecting Ethereum to go for the all-time high and then pull back. I had 2 trades. One trade was open for that. I closed that out with profit. Yeah, see, Litecoin's at 40%, 41% down. Great buy right now. Great buy. I mean, everything is at a. This is like a discount day. If you missed the boat down here, go on in. Not financial advice. What was I saying? Lost track. Everything got hit pretty hard. Link got hit pretty hard. ADA. But they all got hit, but none of they're all holding good price structure. The only couple that aren't really holding very great structure would be Tezos and EOS. And both of them are kind of like doing what XRP did. They went so far down in their correction. It's just really ugly. But, volatility, you can make some money with these big price swings. And that is crazy volatility. Look at that. The high of, 2 to like a low of 1, 5, like back up to 2, back down. It's just insane. If you know what you're doing, you can make money on these swings. Just taking a look at other coins here. Yeah, everything just got totally hit. Go to the Ethereum. Wait, I want to look at the Litecoin. I wanted to look at the Bitcoin ETH chart just to see what that looks like. Yeah, so it's just in consolidation. It's not quite altcoin season yet, but I mean we might start rolling on up pretty soon. I think I have the. Let's see, Bitcoin dominance. Take a look at that. 69%. Now I wonder if this is going to go up and kind of roll on over. It's looking a little bit weak to me. So I mean, made a high. Now we made a lower high. We came up. If we get rejected off this Bitcoin dominance, we'll probably roll on over and on down we go. That means altcoin season will come in. That'd be awesome. As far as this candle is getting bought up. This is on Crypto Watch. So the last correction, this was only about 20% down here. But look at the candle. It's a big red candle. Apparently that is indicative of bull market corrections. And this is fitting the bill. I mean, it was a pretty stark correction for sure. But look at the wick getting bought up. This is on the daily. It hasn't closed yet, but look at that. So you want to look at the VR. I mean, this is worst case scenario. 18K. Looking at that's basically about where the 21 week moving average is. Say tomorrow, and just everyone, just crazy things happen tomorrow. Say happens, and then markets dump more. Yeah, I would think that sport would be around 18, 19K. But let's take a look at the shorter term support. People were asking me how low is it going to go, and I took a look at this, and basically it was 24, 26, and 28K. Those are the support zones of the VPVR. Some people are looking for even as low as 20K. That wouldn't be very bullish, but it could happen. But in the near term, I mean, we're at $35,000 right now. It's not too shabby. This candle's It's awesome. We're pulling back a little bit now. So what could happen is we could make, if it pulls back and we come back down and we just consolidate and come back here and fall back over, this could create like a head and shoulders pattern, which would take us down to like, 20K, 24K easily. But again, I'm not expecting that. This is looking like just a healthy correction. So things are looking pretty good to me. Anyway, that's going to be it. I just wanted to be real quick. Stimulus is probably, I mean, if Biden gets in, I guess Biden is getting in. Money printers going to keep on going. So regardless, Bitcoin's going to keep going. Stocks might even keep going up. I don't know about that one, but gold and silver, the U.S. dollar is going to tank, and everything else is going to go up. That's almost science at this point. All right. See y'all tomorrow.